Hi, I'm Gab from Digest. I'm here to show you how our legal research platform can help you save time using our AI powered chat. So here you can ask any questions and it provides legal basis. For example, the question is give two relevant cases on management prerogative. This is how the AI answer. It gives you the definition, the summary of the case, and most especially it gives you the link to the actual case which allows you to verify the results. Here, you can look into the full text of the case. You can also do different actions like you can highlight this case and it gives you the summary or an organized folder where you can look into your highlights. Moreover, you can also customize your folders like you can name a folder as case 3. Now you can add this particular case to that folder. Also, you can download this case as Word document. So you can easily copy or cite this case to your pleading. There are also different features here on top, like the digest. It provides you the summary and doctrine, so you don't need to look into the full text. You would know the concept here right away. For the study guide, this may be helpful for law students or even law professors. So if this case becomes a bar exam question, how would it look like? Also check which case cited this case and also the cross-reference. What's also cool here is that we provide tags. Like if you click this tag, for example, constructive dismissal, it will give you the cases on constructive dismissal and you can sort it according to its relevance and as to the most recent case. You can also search anything here on advanced search. So you can also look, for example, illegal dismissal. Then it will also give you cases on illegal dismissal. Our legal research platform is comprehensive. So you can look all the cases from 1901, search it here. Then we also provide different modules like for laws, taxation, corporate, and labor. This platform is also accessible using mobile phones, so you can look into your collections while on the go. This legal research platform combines everything in one place, like the AI powered chat, the advanced search feature, and of course, the comprehensive legal research library, all at a lower cost than other legal research platforms. Just go to digest.ph/register to sign up now. Thank you.